How to apply for student finance using YNAB. Easy guide for students. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for student finance in YNAB. You need a budget. YNAB, You Need a Budget is a budgeting tool that helps students manage their finances. If you are looking to apply for student finance using YNAB, here is a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Sign up for YNAB. Visit YNAB's website. Link www.youneedabudget.com. Click on Start Your Free Trial, 34-day free trial available for new users. Create an account using your email address or sign up via Google or Apple. Step 2. Verify student discount. Go to the YNAB Student Program page. Upload proof of student status like a student ID or enrollment letter. Once verified, you will receive 12 months free access to YNAB. Step 3. Create your first budget. After signing up, start by creating a new budget. Name your budget something like student finances or college budget. Step 4. Categorize your expenses. YNAB will provide preset categories. Customize them by adding student-specific categories such as tuition and fees, books and supplies, rent or dorm fees, groceries, transportation. And before we proceed, in order for you to have this free YNAB access, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 5. Add income from student loans or grants. Enter your student loan, scholarship, or grant as your income. You can input these funds as inflows when the money is deposited in your bank account. Assign the income to your budget categories accordingly. Step 6. Track your spending. As you spend money, add each transaction to the corresponding budget category. This will help you stay on track with how much you are spending on textbooks, rent, and other expenses. Step 7. Adjust and monitor your budget. Regularly review your budget. If you find you are overspending in one category, move funds between categories to ensure you are not going overboard. Step 8. Utilize reports. Use YNAB's reporting feature to track your monthly spending and evaluate how well you are sticking to your financial plan. Step 9. Sync with your bank account. Sync your bank account with YNAB for automatic updates on your transactions, making it easier to manage your student finance in real time. That's it, folks. You are now all set to take charge of your student finances with YNAB. Remember, managing money doesn't have to be stressful. It is all about finding balance and making every dollar work for you. You've got everything you need to succeed, so don't let finances hold you back from achieving your dreams. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, share it with your fellow students, and don't forget to subscribe for more budgeting magic. And here's a little quote to keep you motivated. Budgeting isn't about limiting yourself. It is about making room for the things that matter most. You've got this. Keep believing in yourself, keep making those smart money moves, and watch your financial confidence soar. Until next time, stay magical, stay empowered, and always budget with intention. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a dose of financial wisdom.